Yes, my dear students, today's class will be on problems on building algorithm. So previous videos already have discussed derivations regarding addition of branch, addition of link, its basics and all. So with that concept, let us go for problems. So I told before going to problem, so you have to analyze these all formulas and what and all will be there for derivation as what and all we got by adding a branch as well as link. Okay, just recall this addition of branch and we are doing problems on no mutual coupling actually. Okay, whatever derivation we have done for mutual, but problems we are doing on no mutual coupling with that concept, with that keeping in mind. So now if you are going for addition of branch, two conditions will be there. One is diagonal, off diagonal, because Z bus is order form, any matrix having its own diagonal as well as off diagonal values. So now how to put those diagonal as well as off diagonal values for a particular element if it is a branch. Now branch is added, so now matrix you have to form individual element matrix. So now if there is off diagonal values, if you want to form Z of what is that condition cases, no mutual coupling with reference bus will be there, then ZPI is equals to 0, ZQI is equals to 0 for off diagonal, whereas for diagonal Z of QQ will be Z of PQ comma PQ. Okay, and for addition of branch, if there is no mutual coupling without reference, is there Z of QI is equals to Z of PI, and same thing if you want to go for diagonal, Z of QQ will be Z of PQ plus Z of PQ comma PQ. With this is for what addition of branch. Same thing you have to go for addition of link, no mutual coupling with reference, no mutual coupling without reference. So these equations you have to remember for off diagonal as well as diagonal. Let us see the problem, which cases it will apply now. This is the problem, 8 marks question it has been asked. Now it is 7, but 8 marks question it has been asked, and they told to take this, you have to form the Z bus by adding systematically 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 1 to 3. First to add 1 to 2, next 2 to 3 and 1 to 3. Okay, so like this, as per whatever they have given, by that you have to add and you have to form the Z bus. Addition has to be done. Okay, let us see. So first rebuild the element. First you take 1 to 2. Here 1 is reference bus I am taking. Okay, let us start this, and whatever given values, whatever they have specified, these are all impedance, and you can check it answer by inspection method also. So what you have to do in inspection method, if given values are impedances, convert into admittance. This is J is there, 1 by J. You can't make in a calculator, keep it 1 by J will be minus J, and 0.1 inverse will be 10. Okay, minus 10 J aguttade. Okay, if you do admittance. So first what, if you are going for inspection method, just to verify the answer, convert these impedance to admittance values. Okay, and then form the Y bus, and 1 is reference, remove that, only 2, 3, 2, 3, like that you have to write row column. So 2 cross 2 matrix you will be getting Y bus, inverse you have to do, you will be getting Z bus. That only I had done here, what I told just now. While doing inspection method, convert this impedance to admittance, I have converted, and we got here Y bus 2 cross 2, 1 is reference I have removed, and 2 cross 2 we got. How we got 2 cross 2, just you can see it, 1, 1, this is 2, 3 versus 2, 3, 2, 2, if you take second bus, what is Y of 2, 2, this is 2, this is Y of 2, 3, 2, 3 is it 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3 it is. What is Y of 2, 2, just check it, only one I will tell. What is 2, 2? Minus 0.25 minus 10 J, nothing but minus 12.5 J. J you have to write, but J I am taking out because we am doing inverse here. If you do 1 by J, that will be minus J. So do inverse of Y bus, it will be Z bus. We got 0.09 J like this. Now you have to check this answer by what? Building algorithm. And this is the final answer as what we are getting by after adding a link, that to deletion. Last modified formula we are using, Z of Ij new is equals to Z of Ij old. For that we are getting this answer. Okay, because link 2 you have to form. First you have to add it, deletion. Once you delete that, whatever output you will get, that is the answer, you have to check it. This is inspection method. So now let us do this building algorithm, this problem, right? Okay, first step. First step I will take building algorithm. So I am taking this network. First step will form this building algorithm. Type 1 modification. What is this type 1? First element is in between. Check it. First element is in between P and Q. That is what reference and new bus. First element is in between reference and new bus. Okay, that is type 1 modification, addition of branch. And whatever value they specify, that itself is Z of PQ comma PQ. P under 1 and Q is equals to 2, I is equals to 1 comma 2. Okay, and what is that here? This what we are using here, that case, addition of branch, no mutual coupling with reference. 1 is reference is there. So no mutual coupling with reference, as you know, Z of Pi is equals to 0, Z of Qi is equals to 0, Z of QQ will be Z of PQ comma PQ. Okay, P is equals to, and take I is equals to 1 comma 2. Here write 1 2 node 1 2 node, and all these values you have to find. So first you find p is equals to 1, I is equals to 1, because p is equals to 1, substitute here, it will be 0, and q I have 2 here, 2 and I is as it is, take 1 first. So q 21 is equals to 0. If 21 is equals to 0, same thing you have to keep it for 1, 2. Now for every problem, this 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 all will be 0 except this 2, 2. Every problem starting it will be 0 only. Only we are getting the value 2, okay, z of 2, 2. So how to find out z of 2, 2 here? So z of 2, 2 will be z of qq, that is for diagonal. Qq will be pq comma pq. Pq comma pq nothing but whatever value they will give in problem itself, that only it is. Andre ಏನು j.1 ಹೌದಾ? So now here, so z of pq comma pq will be nothing but 1 2 comma 1 2 will be j.1. So now you substitute z of 2 2 will be j.1. Now reference node actually starting, once you form this matrix starting, that reference node don't take it for next matrix, okay? 1 I don't take, and for this is we got updated, that is 2 cross 2. 2 2 j.1. This itself you have to take it for next matrix. So 1 I removed. Reference node you delete starting only. Next, second step again another element 2 I have to add. So now this already we build now first element, now I am adding second element, it is in between 2 and 3. So now we got this networks like this, we have built this network like this. Second element is in between 2 and 3. 2 is old bus, already it has been used, 3 is new bus. So this is type 2 modification, addition of branch, no mutual coupling, no reference. Now use this formula, z of qi is equals to z of pi, z of qq is z of pq plus pq comma pq. Already this 2 2 already we got this previous matrix j.1, remaining 2 3 3 2 and 3 3 you have to find. As you know here, p is equals to 2, q is equals to 3, I is equals to 2 comma 3, okay. So now ip is equals to 2, q is equals to 3, I is equals to 2 comma 3. So now first you find the off diagonal value, already 2 2 is there. So now find 3. Take here qi is equals to z of pi formula, q is equals to 3 here, 3 and I is equals to starting 2 you take, because in this we are taking 2 3. 3 2 is equals to 2 2, and j as you know 2 2 from this matrix, because previous only we got that is 0.1 j.1, so that itself is z of 2 3, okay. So whatever we got 3 2 substitute same, it is for 2 3 only. Now z of qq diagonal you have to find, z of qq will be z of pq plus z of pq comma pq, diagonal you have to half diagonal you have to find. So p is 2 and q is 3 and pq is 2 3 comma 2 3. So 2 3 already we found here just now, that is point j.1, substitute here, and 2 3 comma 2 3 it is there in problem itself. While adding this will be j.4, okay. So now substitute here j.4, j.1 and j.4, we are getting j.5, okay. So therefore z bus is 2 3 2 3 will be, this is j.1 j.1 j.1, this is j.5 we got, okay. This is for what? Second one. Okay, now third step you have to go. Now you see third step, third element is in between 1 and 3. 1 is old bus, 3 also old bus, both are old buses, type 4 modification, actually not type 3, type 4 modification, it is both old buses, sorry, 1 is reference here, sorry, 1 is reference and 3 is old bus, this is type 3 modification. Now you have to form addition of link, no mutual coupling with reference. So now what you have to do here, previous matrix I am writing, L extra node is added here. I am writing here j minus j1, it is calculated actually, we won't get directly, calculate it. L one row and column gets added, afterwards that has to be deleted now. Again this is the matrix we got. So now p is equals to 1, q is equals to 3, I is equals to 1 comma, I is equals to what here? I is whatever in matrix we have written 2 3 L, okay, and this is the value we got j.5, pq comma pq, 1 2 comma 1 2, this is 1 3, sorry, q ಏನು 1 3 ಅದ 1 3 comma 1 3 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, okay. Okay, so now what you have to do, no mutual coupling with reference. So write down this formula, Li is equals to minus zqi, Ll is minus ql plus z of pq comma pq, okay. So I is equals to 2 3 L, substitute. So substitute I is equals to 2 here, 3 here, L here, and we got here minus 3, q is equals to 3 here, I is equals to 2 starting. So now what already we know, z of 3 2 value as per previous matrix, here 3 2 will be j.1, but here minus, substitute that whatever value you will get, that you would keep it for 2 3. Same thing go for L3 and LL, this is for diagonal. So now once we got all values, substitute doing, while doing substituting systematically do what you will do, while substituting here minus you will forget, minus minus it will be plus here, sometime you will write minus here, regular mistake what you people are doing, that I am telling. So okay, L it is not, we got here row and column gets added, but afterwards you have to delete that. So what modified you have to write here, removal of link. What is the z of ij new is equals to z of ij old minus z of il, z of lj divided by z of ll. So now ij, what you in matrix you have to got here 2 3. Now this matrix you have to form, L node you have to delete. I is equals to 2, I is equals to 3, j is equals to 2, j is equals to 3. So now first what you have to find, I is equals to 2, j is equals to 2 you take. Next I is equals to 2, j is equals to 3. Now last will be I of 3 3. Now substitute here, take here I of 2 2 you find, because matrix whatever values you have to find, no, z of 2 2 you find. So substitute here in this formula, z of 2 2 old minus z of 2l l2 divided by z of ll. All these values are known, these are all old only from this previous matrix what you are written. So from this network previous, take those values and substitute here, z of 2 2 you will get. Similarly you go for z of 2 3 and z of 3 3. Once you calculate, we are getting this matrix. This is the final matrix we got by building algorithm after adding 2 branches and links. Just take it this answer by inspection method, no. This is j.09, this is j.005, 0.05 and this is 0.02, sorry 0.09, 0.05, 0.05 and 0.2 in terms of j. Just I'll show you starting itself what we got by inspection method. Okay, that's why I told do it by inspection method, it will be easy to understand. See, the same answer we got it by inspection method also, and this inspection method answer is same. At last after removal of link, whatever you are getting, what you have to do, once you add the link, afterwards removal process, no, write on the formulas. If you are not getting time, so final answer by inspection method also you can keep it. Tricks you can follow. Okay. So every problem of inspection, even though every problem of building algorithm, even though if they won't ask to do inspection, do it. Okay. So now you will come to know what is the answer you will get by building algorithm. This is the first problem, and we can go for another problem. This is with the imaginary term they have given. Okay, you can go for another problem also by building algorithm. Okay, there they have not given imaginary term. I'll discuss in next class also this problem, another problem. Okay, thank you.